Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm just walking up to a bit of woodlands I've stopped at before. I'm going to do a little solo overnight camp, test out a few new bits of gear. Main thing, just a little outing with a new backpack. Check that out in the previous video. Going to be about 15 minutes and I'll be up at the new spot, so I'll see you there. Right guys, so I'm back in the woodlands. It's a little spot that I found before. It's nicely tucked out the way. Beautiful pine forest, towering trees. I've actually got a little permanent spot that I've started building. I've had a little overnight camp in it before. Like I said, I'm here to basically get out and try out the new setup. I've got new tarp, new alcohol stove, a few little bits that I want to try out and make sure that they're all working how I want them to be. So I'm going to jump into it, going to try and get this tarp set up. Bear with me because first sort of time I've properly set one up, so a bit late in the day, so hopefully it doesn't take too long before it gets too dark and then I'm not able to see nothing. So jump straight into it and try and get this tarp set up and see how things go. So having camped here before, obviously I already sort of knew where I was going to be setting up the tarp. Know roughly which way the wind is always blowing through this little bit of woods. Just outside where I've got my little foxhole, as I call it. So this is a little spot here. Doesn't look too bad for widow makers or anything like that. Nice little area. Gonna just quickly sweep the floor off, get it cleared up. Hopefully ridgeline from that tree there down, and we're going to go for a plough point tarp setup. So we'll explain a bit more about that when we get it set up. Right then, jumping in, unpacking a few bits, a few bottles of water, save them there for later, get them out of the way. Bish bash bosh, methylated spirits, bish bash bosh. Whatever. Anyway, right, jumping in, get the food out. Oh boys, life of luxury tonight. Mug shots. Chicken and mushroom. Oh, beauty. So, get the little supply bag out. Yeah, boy. And then we're down to this, which this is my mother-in-law buying me a nice little gift for Christmas, and it's going to come in very handy in the videos. Yeah, Ben's bait board. Not really a dead bait fisherman, so won't be cutting much bait up on it, but it will certainly do as a chopping board while I'm out doing my bits and pieces in the woods. So yeah, much appreciated for that. And now this is a bit that we need right now. Haha, the new tarp. Lovely. So get this unpacked, get it folded out, and get it strung up. So as well, you're going to have to excuse the poor camera angles and that. This is my tripod right now. I'm filming from my phone. In the future, I will be getting a camera, tripod, better setup. But for now, this is a makeshift in the forest. There's a load of these clay pipes laying around. So yeah, I apologise once again. So, just having a thought about it, what I'm going to try and do is, for the first time ever, is try and get a trucker's hitch. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to chuck it around the tree and then hopefully have a tension in piece so that every bit that I gain is there in tension. So yeah, going to give it a go. All a big learning curve, this bushcraft. Tree. A little bit lower at the back. And then I've got a handy little thing. Look, might help me out here on my bag. I put these on specifically for this reason. So, got these little bungee loops, nice and handy. Still want to use the back of my axe. I will use the back of my axe. Why not? So, got the roughneck. Well, it's just a roughneck hatchet. Nice and light. Comes with a American hickory handle. Was like a dark stain, I guess, with roughneck stamped down it. Sanded that back, wasn't so keen, give it a nice new oil. Comes with quite a few marks on the blade and that. It's not quite finished yet, but it's getting there. It's getting nice and shiny, nice and sharp. But now I'm going to use it as a hammer, so yeah. Excuse my croggy throat. Croggy or froggy? Don't know. But excuse my voice at the minute. I've got a bit of a frog in my throat, as they say. So I'm hoping, probably, not sure how much I trust in these pegs, so maybe if you buy this tarp yourself, you might, saves weight, you can just make some wooden pegs up. You can do that in another video. For now, I just want to try it out, see how it gets on. Oh. keen on the bungee idea. I think we're going to swap the bungee idea out. Seems like it creating some issues. So this is the setup that I've gone for. Obviously the plough point tarp setup. Got a few creases in it. Obviously not got it quite set up perfectly. Nice little spot. Made a little clearing so I can get out. Cleared all the ground off. Ooh. So as we go inside, as we can see, got all the kit set out. Got a nice little ground sheet as well, so that's going to help a lot. Obviously from moisture and just the ground taking the heat away from me as I sleep. Got all the equipment set up there. Not too much, not brought too much this time. Just sort of to show that you can go out on a budget really and still have a good time, you know. It's a beautiful place to be. Look at this. So I guess that brings us on to the main ridge line. Well, it's not really a ridge line, it's just a tether point. I might not have done this perfectly, but that's my attempt of a trucker's hitch. Wrapped it around 3 times instead of twice, wrapped it around twice again and brought the end through, so it's all quick release. Probably pop that through there in a bit just so it doesn't annoy me flapping around. But yeah, that's pretty much the setup. So this is the little foxhole. Needs a lot more work. I have got a few videos from previous when I was working on it, but basically when I come here this was all overgrown with brambles and all sorts. Oh, talking of brambles, I'm caught up now. So I made a little stick tool, cleared it all out, dug it all out with a stick, made this little roof out of old logs and then tried to cover it in. I was doing this in the dark, the camera died, so there's not much footage of it, but I ended up finishing this off in the dark. I didn't know the condition of the roof at the time, but I stopped in this the night at -3. There was ice and snow on the ground here, and I'm going to show you inside. So yeah, probably not the most thermal. As you can see, I've left a bin bag and a bottle in here just to so I've got some water in that here all the time. But yeah, it's needing a bit more work, a bit more roof work. I'm going to try and fill it in with some more sticks, debris, and then hopefully get a moss cap on it as well, and try and make this a little permanent shelter that I can just come to. I'm going to dig it out a bit more inside, make it a little bit more deeper, make it a bit more wider so I can get my pack in a bit further out this way, and then maybe even over this corner here dig it out a bit, put like a fireplace. It'd be nice, you know, if I can fill this in so that this is a bit higher up, so when you're stood back here you can't actually see the hole itself. And then yeah, put a fireplace in that corner, because as I was digging it out I've managed to find, I mean that one's a little bit broken, but that one I'm sure we could use, that one we could use. There's a couple more I've spotted laying around. We've got a half piece here, so I think we could make some sort of chimney, and hopefully that'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. I've got somewhere I can just come up, camp out the night. So I actually moved this way quite recently. I'm now based in South Staffordshire, Cannock area. Previously I was living in Peterborough, which is famous for being flat, and sorry guys that are from there, it's rather boring. There's not many hills, many waterfalls, many rivers, or much going on in the ways of woodlands and bushcrafting and going out and doing stuff. Right guys, back in the tarp, out the wind for a bit, and time for a bit of a pick-me-up. I think this will do. Just look at this for a spot. I did not want that. Good job they're waterproof. great fun. People don't get it, some people just don't get it, but for me, getting out here, it's just that, you know, you don't have to think about anything really, other than, you know, just build shelter, cook some food, just have a good time. Just get out here, honestly. If anyone out there is struggling and has got mental health issues or anything like that, get outside, go out, and it solves your problems. It really does, or at least distracts you from some of them. Free therapy. Definitely free therapy. Maybe horse and cow proof, but it's not bend proof. Oh. Oh, bottle. Kaiser. I think I'll take that. Bosh. So, back here at the tent. As I said before, the sun's nearly gone down. Gonna have a quick rummage in the bag, try and get the little torch out that I hang up here. Might even hang up. So, got the old Heikman alcohol stove. Need to try and get some fuel in it right now. There we go. So, do it one-handed somehow. Oh, dip that in, pop that there, like so, like that, and then happy days. I think I might have a cuppa first. Right then guys, so living the life of luxury tonight. We've got the mug shot and a bit of spam, the old spam, love it. So we're going to chop the spam up, dice the spam up. So, just heating up the little pot there. Gonna chuck half of that spam in there, get it fried up, save the rest for later, and then we'll boil up some water and get the almighty mug shots on the go. Yeah, boy. Right then, guys. So we got the spam, the mug shot, a few bits of bread. If you weren't eating bread for your mug shots or your pot noodles, you went right. You've got to get that soupy goodness. Still got a little bit of fire going. I'm going to make myself a nice little another mocha chocolate, and then get the other mug shot on. Keep myself nice and warm. I'll probably get my head down for an early night. Got work in the morning, so going to be a nice early morning getting camped down. Right then guys, I'm tucked up warm in my brand new, you can't probably see it, but I've got a brand new sleeping bag. Got the Summit from Mountain Warehouse, Summit 250, rated to comfort of about -1. Reckons it's going to feel like -1 tonight, so we'll see how well that works. So obviously I've got to get up early in the morning, so I'm going to try and get some shy. I've got the alcohol stove just burning away. Let that run out and hopefully get a good night's sleep. I'll catch you in the morning guys. Peace. So morning guys, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Just making a quick hot chocolate. It's about 0 degrees right now. It's bloody cold. So I've got to get myself warmed up quick and get packed away and get home for work. As you can see, we're all packed up now, all cleared up, and we're going to get back because we're running a bit late for work, so might even have to have a little jog. Right guys, I'm sure I look absolutely shattered. I'm on the move now, back home, all packed up, all sorted, in a little bit of a rush. Whew. Didn't need this first thing in the morning. Whew. Right, well, we're back after a little 3-mile jog. So that was certainly not expected. My alarm didn't go off when it was supposed to this morning. So, bit sweaty Betty now, but I'm going to jump in the shower, freshen myself up, and then hopefully be ready for work on time. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed everything that I've done in this video. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. If you have liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment. If you've got any questions, anything you want me to do in the future, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It all helps me out. So yeah, once again, thank you very much. Adios, guys.